afternoon. It's just afternoon time here. We had a wicked storm system that came through here. Desert Hot Springs, wind blowing, and it was rocking the RV, and it's been a lot of snow. The winter storm watch was for elevations of 6,000 feet and up. We're going to get a lot of snow. So I'm up here. I climbed up one of the smaller knobs on the little San Bernardino Mountains, and I want to see if it clears off of the San Bernardinos because there's a lot of snow up there. I'm hunkered down here, because the wind is really blowing hard right up over the hill here, and I knew you wouldn't be able to hear anything I said. So I'm going to go up. I'll show you the RV park is right down here, and then across to San Jacinto Mountain, and then the San Bernardinos. Okay, here we go. Over there, almost completely obscured. Across the valley, up to the San Bernardino Mountains, and I think it's I forget what that's I forget. Up that way. Really, really wicked up here. Hope you have a great day where you live. Stay out of the wind.